Hi everybody, this is Miss Elkins. I hope this video finds everybody doing well. I just got off of a Google meeting with several of you on the phone. It was really fun to see all your faces. We're going to start today with Monday's homework on homework 23. Sorry, I'm getting Google notifications at the same time I'm trying to do this. Back to the homework. This is homework 23, and it says that it's due March 27th. That's just a misprint. It's actually due Monday, March 30th. All right. So starting with number 1 on Monday, it says write the equation. So we have an X column and we have a Y column. We need to figure out, what does Y equal? What is happening to the X value to make it become that Y value? So what do you think's happening? Oh, it looks like it's being multiplied times 3. So then we write that as an equation. Y equals 3x. No multiplication symbols, no parentheses, not x3, just y equals 3x. Alright? So that's the answer to number 1. Moving on to number 2. What is the value of 7 times parentheses 3x minus 4 parentheses plus 4 to the third power when x equals 6? We're going to do substitution here. And we're going to replace the x in parentheses with 6. And that is not negative 4, it's minus 4, which in any case would be the same thing. So we're going to use PEMDAS. PEMDAS tells us we have to do what's in parentheses first. We have 2 operations inside the parentheses. We have multiplication and subtraction. We always do multiplication first. So it's 7 times 3 times 6, which is 18, minus 4, plus 4 to the third power. And then we do what's still inside the parentheses, which is 18 minus 4. So now it's 7 times 14 plus 4 to the third power. We've done parentheses. We now do exponents. 4 to the third power means 4 times 4 times 4, which equals 64. I'm going to move this over because I'm out of room, sorry. Now it's 7 times 14 plus 64. Then we do multiplication and division, which we have multiplication now. I've got to figure out what was 14 times 7. I don't know my 14, so let me show my work over here. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 2 is 98. So now it's 98 plus 64. I'll do that math right here. 98 plus 64. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry the 1, and that's 16. So the value when x equals 6 is 162. Don't forget to circle that. Alright, moving on. List 3 values that would make this inequality true. That means first I have to solve the inequality, which in this case it says n plus 4 is less than 28. I need to find some values that I could substitute for n, but first I have to solve. So the opposite of adding 4 is subtracting 4. So I have to subtract 4 from each side. I'm going to move over here. So n, keep the inequality symbol because you haven't multiplied or divided by a negative number, is less than or equal to 24. Now, 24 is a possible solution because it is equal to 24. Anything less than 24 is also a solution. So I could put 23 or 22 or any other number that's less than 24. Even 23 9/10 would be an answer. Alright, folks, moving on to number 4. Jack went to the store to buy apples. He must have been hungry. He bought 20 apples for $3.40. What is the rate amount of each apple? So, this is my dollar amount. this is how many things I bought. I have to divide to figure that out. So it's $3.40 divided by 20. 20 doesn't go into 3, so I know those apples were less than $1 a piece, right? 20 will go into 34 one time. And then I subtract. 1 times 20 is 20. 4 minus 0 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. And then I bring down that last 0. 20 goes into 140 7 times evenly. Those apples cost 17 cents each. Number 5. Write an equation to fit the table. What's happening to x to make it y? Remember, your equation has to start with y equals. So, if I'm looking at 3 and going to 15, what's happening? If I'm looking at 4 and going to 20, what's happening? If I'm going to from 6 to 30, I have to figure out what's happening. It looks like what's happening each time is it's being multiplied times 5. So, my equation y equals 5x. Not x5, not x times 5, no parentheses, no multiplication symbols, just y equals 5x. Oh, by the way, why did the man run around his bed? Answers coming in a couple of videos. Love you guys. Talk.